Another story time. I've been really interested in nail biting. Been looking at after the ranks start learning, and there is somebody in our community who's doing that. And in fact, I started nail biting with gold at our TOA. Unfortunately, they are not good. But it would not be good of me to ignore this gentle swerve and reward it.
Lady Inga Johansdottir, or someone to accept for her. Let it be known throughout the vastness of the realm that we, Nyasa, royal patroness of the arts and weekday art king, are well aware of the skills and teaching accomplished by Lady Inga in the arts and is a driving force in organizing A&S activities. She teaches both individuals and groups. Her enthusiasm for fiber arts is unbridled, and her thirst to share what she learns is without limit. Therefore, we wish for all to know the high regard in which we hold them, and so are minded to create them a companion of the Order of the Evergreen.
I know I will see her soon, and I will be happy to hug her later. But I know she's in faraway land, Ireland. Oh, whatever that is. Thank you very much for accepting that.
For her ladyship, Inga,